Welcome to my Pithe Puli series. Hi and a very warm welcome to my new series Pithe Puli. পিঠে পুলিতে আজকে আমার সবচেয়ে ফেভারিট একটা পিঠে হচ্ছে কি সেটা দুধ পুলি Let's get started. The process starts with boiling 1.5 cup of water and 1 cup of rice flour. Cook it for a minute and cover it and let it rest. The filling is simple yet heavenly. It's a combination of fresh coconut and Nolen gur. First mix together well and then cook it till thick. This bhapa puli is a dessert that captures the essence of Bengali winters, blend of artistry, tradition and flavor. The dough, after letting it rest for 20 minutes, it's ready to work with. I then knead it briefly and cover it with a muslin cloth. Next step is to make small roundels. Using my fingers, press each roundel into discs, creating the perfect base for my filling. I place spoonful of fillings into each disc, fold it into crescent shape and then seal the edges. To add a decorative touch, I show two folding techniques. One is a simple crescent as I have shown you. The other one uses a fork to create delicate impressions first, then tucking the ends at regular interval to form petal-like designs. These tiny details make the bhapa puli even more special. This recipe reminds me of my grandmother's hands skillfully preparing all the bhapa pulis and me waiting in the corner of the kitchen to devour them. Just look at the simple design. Don't they look delightful? Next, I heat up some milk, add some milk powder to it to thicken it slightly. Once the milk is creamy and rich, I add the prepared pulis one by one and let them cook. They soften beautifully, absorbing the flavor of the milk. And finally, the star ingredient, the Nolen gur or date palm jaggery or khejur gurer patali. Added to the milk, infusing the milk with its beautiful signature aroma and sweetness. If this recipe reminds you of home or inspires you to try it, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also, let me know in the comments which folding technique you will try first. ये जो दूध पुली आपने देखा है प्रिपेयर हुआ और दूध में ये पुली पक के एकदम सॉफ्ट और यमी बन गया. इसको मैं प्लेटिंग कर देती हूँ. Press the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my recipes. तो ये लीजिए दूध पुली सॉफ्ट राइस फ्लावर के साथ कोकोनट और नोलेन गुड़ के साथ. वन फॉर यू, वन फॉर मी. रेसिपी अच्छी लगी तो क्या करना है? लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब एंड कीप वॉचिंग द न्यू सीरीज पीठे पुली.